Hey, what's up everybody? In today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can start earning Notcoin and how you can send it to your Tonkeeper wallet. Now once you open Notcoin in your Telegram app, the steps are really simple. From here you can head over to games and start playing these games to earn Notcoin, and here you can also level up quickly by completing these bonuses. And after that, when the airdrop arrives, you can claim your tokens and you can send them directly to your wallet. Now to do this, we'll go and connect a wallet here. We'll just go and click on connect wallet on the top, and here we'll go and select Tonkeeper. Wait a few seconds here. The Tonkeeper app would open. If you haven't created a wallet in it, you can just go and create one. It's really quick and fast. Now wait a few seconds. Once it is open, it will ask your permission to connect wallet. Now here just go and click on connect wallet. Now here on the top you can see my wallet is connected. Now what I can do is I can start playing these games and earn Notcoin, and when the airdrop arrives I can take my tokens and transfer it to my Tonkeeper wallet. And that's it for today's video. Like, subscribe, share the video. See you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.